What up? Coming to you live from the Nagoya car deal page lot. In front of us, we have the vehicle that could have replaced the Atrai. But when I saw it, I was like, you know what? Let me be a little different. Let me get something a little cheaper because this one is import legal. My van isn't. But in front of us, we have a Honda Vamos that is 4-wheel drive turbo and only 75,000 kilometers. And it's pretty WayBeforeTheFame spec. Like, it's exactly like the Atrai, where I would love to swap over the wheels. Although these do look like they could be OEM or Modulo wheels, which I know if you're a Honda fanboy, you would definitely appreciate. In my personal opinion, I think Tris will look better. Or just, I'm not really a fan of the 90 spokes. Like, just not my thing, but it has fogs. It has a rack to fit all the wheels. Let me show you what the Tri looks like right now so you can have an idea of what this could have been. So here's my 2001 Daihatsu Atrai. So it's still 4-wheel drive, it's still turbo, it's still automatic, it still has fog lights, and it's still a K-van. That was essentially my 4 criterias when I was looking for my car to have in Japan. I needed to have a K-van because I know it was going to be me, Tiki, Mendy, Rodrigo. If my family wants to visit, I want to have a car. And then look at this. Definitely not the safest way to be driving, but I promise you, we're taking all the precautions needed. But this thing is packed. It has 2 sets of wheels, meaning 8 tires and rims in here. It has all our luggage, all our bags, all our goodies we've been buying. This thing is jammed packed. And because this one is a late 2001, I was able to get it significantly less than a Honda Vamos. There wasn't so many Americans trying to bid this one up. So with that being said, here's the Honda Vamos. Again, fog lights, white, questionable rims. Does have a spoiler. Is turbo, which is hard to come by, and 4-wheel drive, which is double hard to come by, and low kilometers. I've been looking at Vamoses for everyone, and they're all like 200,000 kilometers plus. So I guess that's a good thing that these things last. But this one only has 75,000. The battery's 100% dead too, so whoever buys this, you definitely need a new battery. AC does work. Has rear heat. It's been on for like 30 minutes too. Idle's fine. It's also a 4-speed. I feel like a lot of the newer Actis, newer Vamosos are all 3-speed. I'm not sure if this is a rare spec. Someone comment below. I don't really know too much about these. That's why I want to make this video, just to educate all my K homies. But this one's a 4-speed. Interior's clean too. When I got the pictures and I initially posted it on Patreon, I thought it really needed the teggy touch, and it still does, because this headlight, I looked it up, it's around like $60 to replace it. This is dirty, but it's not bad. I'll close the hood in a second. Even on the roof, it's not bad. Doesn't smell like a smoker's car either, which is a huge pro. Look at this. Looks good, sounds good, idle's good, rev's good. Look at the back. Let me pop the trunk. Let's make sure there's no rust here. No, just a bunch of dirt. I should grab my vacuum and clean this up. Plastic has seen better days as far as back here goes. I think this might be the battery tie down. Here's a look at the headliner. This light works. Don't see any rust there. Let's open this door up. They both slide smoothly. This was gonna be the car we were gonna drive around. It's the same thing pretty much. I think the Atrai is still better though.
The Atrai is still better?
Yeah. And it's also cheaper because this is import legal, the Atrai is not.
Although I will say, I feel like the Atrai is bigger. I mean, this is bigger than the Atrai.
Yeah, no, this is way bigger, but look at the seats. The seats are way closer. Like this is like...
Yeah, it's pretty uncomfortable.
Yeah, especially for you.
Yeah.
In the Atrai, you're sitting... The seats are way further back in the Atrai. The seats are like up to here on the Atrai.
Yeah, that's probably.
But this trunk space is definitely a lot larger.
This is turbo, right?
Yeah, look, it sounds healthy and good. Look.
Oh, you can hear them.
And it's also 4-speed.
Yeah.
Was Savi's 4 or Savi was stick shift? Did you have an automatic one or no?
No, I haven't had an automatic.
I feel like they're all 3.
This is, I think, if they're turbo, they're 4-speed.
Yeah, maybe. But dual airbags. Sadly, the battery's dead. I feel like if I turn the headlights on and everything, it's gonna kill it even faster. Put the fogs on.
Oh wow, it's got fog.
Bro, it's way before the fame spec.
Yeah.
It's everything I wanted. Is this an LED? Wow, it even has an LEDs.
No way, really?
Yeah, it has LEDs on, I guess, both sides. But
The fact that it comes with a rack is pretty baller.
Yeah.
I feel like if your Patreon homie doesn't buy it, whoever's watching this video should buy it.
Let me get some shots underneath.
I feel like this one's a unicorn that should sit in here.
What? Somebody needs to lock this in.
No, it's old already.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. But I will find you guys another one while I'm out here for the next several weeks. And the roof is clean too.
I know, it's not faded like all the other ones. It just needs a teggy touch, really.
I just need to buy a headlight, a battery, H3s, yellow, and the Teggy touch. Like if we brought this home, Teggy would be like, oh my god.
Oh, he actually did ask me if we had any vans.
Yeah.
Are those Modulo wheels?
Yeah, apparently. So even more Honda fanboyish. Can I fit here?
Yeah. Already got a rack. Dual airbags too, which is sick. I think that's the end of it.
Brakes real good. Just confirmed that both the windows do work. Gonna end this video here. Such a cool van. I just love K-Vans. That's really what it comes down to. I love K-Vans and I love them even more when they're turbo. I don't care if it's automatic. Here's another Vamos. This one's actually sold. Wow. Wow. High roof. It looks OEM. It's probably a backup camera. Oh wow, it's stick shift. Wow. Wow. This is dope. All right, this one is sold, unfortunately. I would have loved to take this home. This is padded too. It's comfortable. I am in a maze right now. Yeah, this is sick. This is so cool. It's got a sink, all these little pockets. It's got this to maybe get in and out the car. It's got an awning. Wow. But I'm in this video here. Catch you guys on the next one. Update on the giveaway. We are down to this many slots at the time of recording this video.